20 years old and you don't have any credit, the credit cards I do suggest for you guys is the Discover Student Chrome card, because they don't require any credit history and it's still a great credit card. It's, think of it as like a normal credit card. It's not like a secure credit card. That one is a great one for you guys, and they don't charge an annual fee. But sometimes you can get credit cards if you don't have any credit at all. Try to look into the Capital One Quicksilver and Capital One Platinum also, because those are also easy credit cards you can get if you don't have any history. They're more like beginner credit cards. Let me actually look up that Capital One, because when I first started getting credit, you guys, before my real addiction started, my credit addiction, before then, the first card I got was the Platinum credit card. That was like one of the first cards that I did get. And when I applied for the Platinum credit card, you can pre-qualify for it. I don't know what made me get it, but I was just doing a lot of research. I got the Platinum credit card, and somebody told me I can get two credit cards. So I tried to get a second Platinum credit card, but I was denied. So I called them and said, hey, why was I denied? And she said, you can't have two of the same exact credit cards. So she told me to apply for the Quicksilver. So try to pre-qualify for this Platinum credit card, and look under credit building, their credit building cards, because you'll see that Quicksilver card there too. So here is that Quicksilver rewards card. This one is secured. This one is also secure. We have to put money down. But here's actually that Platinum MasterCard and that Quicksilver rewards card. So these are great ones. If you guys don't have any type of history too, apply for that kickoff account, because with the kickoff account, they'll start reporting to the credit bureaus. They're not going to do hard inquiries at all. They're not going to charge you interest or anything like that. They'll start reporting to the credit bureaus for you guys, and that can start building your profile out. So definitely get that kickoff account, and when you get that kickoff account, they'll start reporting to the credit bureaus, and it'll start building your credit. And you guys can probably gonna go to like a 620, 650, if not higher than that. When you guys start having some type of credit, then you can go to if the Capital One deny you, after you get that kickoff report, then apply for the Capital One. Then apply also for the um, Discover. So also apply for the Discover credit card, because like I said too, Discover credit card is another great credit card. They got the student cash back card, but I always tell people to get that student Chrome card. Let's go ahead and click on that one. This is a great one. And look, no credit score required to apply. So you guys can apply for the Discover is Student Chrome card. You don't have to have a credit score at all. And if you are a student, seeing that you are 20, you may still be a student. What I want you to do is I want you to use your student email, because you have a greater chance of actually getting approved when you use your student email. But check out those. Hopefully, I don't know if you was talking about a specific credit card, but check those out if you're 20 and you don't have any credit, because those are some great options.